In this lecture, I would like to talk about the standards in IT industry. Standard requirements of the product is a heart of the development process. It's good to have an idea about the future product, but it's not enough. Requirements provide maximum information regarding the interface, style, type of materials used to create a product, properties, features, and other things. Defined standards for the product are the QA testing foundation for success. It helps to avoid misunderstanding what should be developed and supported in the product. Where standards requirements are coming from? One option is the system requirements team that is responsible for developing those required standards. This team will be helpful and useful in case when the QA team has the questions or unclear information. However, not all the companies are keeping such team. Generally, this is a privilege of the big companies with a huge number of employees and the budget. The small companies, sometimes calling startups, do not use such team. Those companies were founded due to the specific idea or new solution in the already running technology. For example, new application for Facebook or new smartphone game. Usually, they are using the second option. Second option is to use the requirements written by special organizations or groups which are responsible to provide such information. For example, International Organization for Standardization, Telecommunication Union, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, and many others. The companies collaborate with those organizations and use their and own requirements, standards in order to be part of a global industry. By the end of this lecture, you could find the list of provided online links to some discussed organizations. Let's see the example that will help to understand the importance of the standards in the development process. Let's imagine that one day somebody from the development team has decided to develop the product according to his own point of view and not according to the required requirements. While testing this product, the QA team found the problem. On QA professional language is a bug or defect that should be investigated and informed to the development team. As part of bug cycle life will be discussed later, it's required to discuss the situation with the developer from our example. However, such conversation might be not relevant. There is a problem of different opinions for the same product. In this scenario, the specified requirements by system requirement team should and could resolve such misunderstanding situations. This example also shows the importance of cooperation between all staff members in the same project. To finish our discussion regarding the standards, some words about QA professionalism. As was explained above, the standards requirements are the start point of the new developed product. R&D team is working according to those specifications, but not only. The final design of the product will also include the suggestions from sales department and customers' inputs. Here is coming the professionalism. QA person has the ability to know the whole weak and strong sides of the product and to be updated by the last new changes and progress. The development team doesn't have this opportunity, and most of the members are usually focused on the specific module in the whole big system. And here my suggestion. The best way to the professionalism is to start being an expert of the company product and know everything about it. That should be the first priority for QA tester while accessing to the new and existing product. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next lecture.